Well, someone understand one, so understand everything. Okay.
Hey guys, season 6 weekly upgrade premiere. I am fully out of ideas. I have no idea what to do. I'm looking for something super duper, but like nothing too flashy. What do you guys think?
I got it.
Jordan, the meeting hasn't started yet.
It's gonna be good.
Our training team has about over 40 apps, and now with Gemini we got more. But check this out, cause up these sleeves you got a training team that never fails. Got some power in your corner now, some heavy storage found in your drive. You got some docs, Gmail, VLE, and Forms, and all you gotta do is click that link, and I'll say, hey OCDSB, what will your question be? Let me take your other, jot that down, you ain't never had a team like me. Work is your school board and on your meta D. Come on, whisper whatever it is you want. You ain't never had a team like me. Yes, sir, we pride ourselves on service. You're the PPP to teach. Say what you wish, it's yours, true dish. I bought a little more Canva. Select some of column A, highlight of column B. I'm in the mood to like help you, dude. You ain't never had a team like me. Can your staff do this? Can your staff do that? Can your staff empty out their Chromebook cache? Can my team find your file? Well, looky! Can your staff go, let's connect? How about Google Meet and then make the files reappear? Just sit there overloaded, buggy-eyed. Call tickets we love to resolve. You got me at your beck and call indeed about an issue with classroom feed. I got a powerful urge to help you out. So what you want? I really want to know. You got a sheet about 3 miles long, no doubt, and all you gotta do is chat like so. OCDSB, it's me. Connect email easily. I'm on the job, no need to sob. You ain't never had a team, never had a team. You ain't never had a team, never had a team. You ain't never had a team like me. You ain't never had a team like me.
Welcome back to season 6, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Before we get going, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is nicely located right under the title of this video. Now that you know what we do around here, let me tell you about how you can access all our resources, including our newly added recorded workshops from the summer. In the staff portal, just select IT support and resources, then technology resources, then choose modern learning. Our site serves as the hub for training and support on all the available apps for you in the OCDSB. First, make sure to bookmark the site. Just select the star and the web address and select Done. 3 key items to discover. The first is to subscribe to our tech news, filling out a quick form so you never go without getting an email from us every other week with key links. The second is to select the resources and tools and select the approved apps list. From there, you can peruse for approved, in review, and not approved apps to use at your disposal. And lastly, as I mentioned, our recorded workshops are found under resources and tools. And you'll notice that any of these links take you to a video playlist to watch at your own pace. Well, that's it for your weekly upgrade. I hope you have an amazing start to your school year.